Good morning students. I hope you all are enjoying good health. Welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. In the previous session, I have discussed the use of two new tools of TuxPaint, that is Magic Tool and Fill Tool. I hope you have understood that topic and done practice at home also. So today I will discuss the next tools of lesson number 8, More on TuxPaint, page number 75. Here we are going to discuss some more interesting tools in TuxPaint, that is Bricks tool, Flower tool and Grass tool. The objective is to learn the use of Bricks tool, Flower tool and Grass tool to make beautiful drawings. Before starting the topic, I would like to discuss some important terms of this topic. The first term is Bricks tool, used to give bricks effects in the drawing. Second term is Flower tool, used to draw flower in the drawing area. Number 3, Grass tool, used to draw grass in the drawing canvas. Now open page number 75 on your books. Come to this blue colored remember box. In this, our first tool is Bricks tool. Bricks tool is used to give bricks effects in the drawing. Second, Flower tool. Flower tool is the ready-made option used to draw flower on the drawing canvas. Grass tool. Grass tool is used to draw grass in the drawing canvas. So students, using these tools, you can add more interesting features to your TuxPaint drawing. Before starting the practical, mark the identification of these tools on your book. Mark the identification of Bricks tool. Second, Flower tool. Number 3, Grass tool. Now, using these tools, I am going to make a nature scene. So, as you all know how to open TuxPaint, click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on TuxPaint, click on TuxPaint Full Screen. The TuxPaint window is opened. Click on New. Now, we will use all the discussed tools to make a nature scene. Firstly, I am going to discuss the Bricks tool. So, come under Magic Tool option. Click on Magic Tool. Then click on Bricks option under the Magic Tool. Start making a wall. Come to Drawing area. Click on the left mouse button and start making bricks. Using bricks, we are going to make a wall. In this way, keep on moving your mouse till your wall is not completed. So our wall is ready. Now I am going to use grass tool from the magic tool option. Magic tool, then come to right side. Grass tool. Click on grass tool option. Choose the color of the grass, that is green. Then below the wall, start making grass. You have to click on the left mouse button and keep on moving till your area is not completed. So in this way, we have used grass tool to make grass in the drawing canvas. Next I am going to use flower tool. So same, under the magic tool, click on flower tool. Choose the color of the flower from the color box and simply click where you want to insert the flower. This is the ready-made option to insert flower in your drawing. In this way, apply flowers to make beautiful drawing. Now next, I am going to insert some interesting stems so that our nature scene could become more beautiful. Come to tool side options on the left side. Click on stem tool. Now birds I am going to apply here. Change the size of the bird from the slider option. Then find some more stems. Like I am going to find trees. See, trees are there. Click on the tree stem. Change the size of the tree from the slider. And then click in the drawing area. One more tree I am going to apply here. Now on this tree I am also going to apply some fruits. Click on the fruit stem. Decrease the size of the fruit and then start clicking in the drawing canvas where you want to insert fruits. Now next, sun. Find out where the sun is there. Here, change the size and click in the drawing area. Now I am going to give name to this scene using text tool. As you all know how to use text tool, click on the text tool option. Click on drawing canvas. Type the name of the scene, like here I am going to type nature scene. Choose the handwriting style from the right side option and click where you want to insert the name. Now, after making the drawing, save it also. Click on the Save Tool option. So students, today I have discussed the use of different tools of TuxPaint. I hope it's clear to you all. Do practice of making nature scene in TuxPaint at home also. I will discuss further new topics in our next session. Till then, do reading of pages 74 and 75. Learn and write important terms on copy and draw identifications also. Thank you.